Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2026. Let's take a look at the Forex economic calendar for today. So what do we have here for today? We got only the high important and medium important data releases. 9:55 German manufacturing PMI data scheduled for release. The market participant expect the drop from 55.2 to 51.2. And 5 minutes later, we got Eurozone manufacturing PMI, and the improvement is expected here from 51.6 to 52.2. Eurogroup meeting starts at noon. Then 4 hours later, we got factory orders data from the USA, and 10 to 7, we got FOMC member Williams to give a speech. At 7:05, we got German BOA President Joachim Nagel to give a speech, and at the end of the day, at 9:30, we got the Canadian Bank of Canada Governor McLem to give a speech. This is the last event of the day. Quite easy beginning of the new month on the Forex market. So without any further ado, let's switch to the charts, and we start with Euro Dollar. So the euro dollar 4-hour time frame chart has a breakout higher towards 1.1786, but there is a strictly clear reversal pattern made here on the 4-hour time frame chart. Let me just move this line. There you go. Let me just move this line to the swing high 1.1786 local technical resistance. For now, market keeps moving in at the channel line after the breakout, as you can see, in a very narrow consolidation, as the momentum is very close to the level of 50. So not much is going on right now on the euro dollar. Still, the best level for bulls is the demand zone, located here 1.1670, I think 1640. That's 41. It's been here for like last 2 weeks, so you know it very well. So we got first movement to the upside, a reversal from the level of 66 points. Now a little bit of the consolidation. Let's see what the market will do at the beginning of the May 2026. The target for the cable has not been hit just yet. 1.3723 is still the next level for the bulls. Nevertheless, as you can see, we got local technical level here. 1.3656 is the technical resistance made into the extremely overbought conditions, and a little bit of the downside movement has been seen. Nevertheless, we can place local technical support 1.3574. That will possibly at least prevent some lower volatility movement to the downside made by bears. Very tight range. As you can see, not much is going on the beginning of the May on the British pound. Still, the bullish bias is perfect. Now, the situation on the US dollar versus the Japanese yen after the breakout lower below the range low 157.43. This breakout has been tested, then it's been tested again, almost tested again, and the lows roughly around this level here 155, 55, 51 are being bought back up. So right now, let me just place a tough line here, yeah, thick tough line of a technical support into the extremely oversold conditions, and the bulls are trying to buy these dips, but because not much is going on here, we might get stuck here for a while in this like 200 pips range. But definitely there is something going on here in the terms of the movement to the downside. So right now, the key technical resistance is still the range low, and as long as we trade below this low, the outlook remains bearish for the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Gold market, if we zoom in, is moving lower as expected. The level of 4,657 has been rejected, and the market might be seen moving again back inside of this channel, this yellowish channel. And please take a look at the momentum. The 52 level of the momentum has been rejected again. So that's definitely in the short term key technical level here. At least in the short term, this is the key technical level, and we might see sooner or later this level to play a role in the further market movements. The technical support is 4,509, and we will mark it here. S&P 500 opens the May at the new all-time high. I think it's somewhere here to 7,246. But look at this bearish divergence between what is the momentum doing, what is the price doing. Some sort of the bigger correction is coming to the S&P 500. Please be prepared. Please be ready, because it looks like the market wants to move lower sooner or later. That will be the technical, of course, correction. Crude oil, after the test of the trend line from below, local high at 110.90 got capped, and now it is going lower. First technical support almost saved the day, 99.11, as we came off the extremely overbought market conditions down towards the level of 46 points. So right now we got first serious correction of this very nice movement to the upside. Let me just place this line here. I will make it thicker so you can see what kind of a range we are talking about. We are talking about this range from the thick line to the trend line, right? And nice movement to the upside. First correction. Let's take some time to see what will happen here. Sooner or later, it looks like the technical level here might be local technical resistance, 102.80. To only break out above this level opens the road higher. And last but not least, the Bitcoin finally hits the target level that we've been talking about, and the blue arrow is still here. We got a touchdown. 80,635 to the dollar into extremely overbought conditions has been hit. Just a little below the channel, the black channel. Take a look at this black channel, which is the upper part of the potential flag pattern. And right now this movement to the upside gets extended even more, which is another situation here that needs to be taken into the account, because sooner or later what you will see on this, sooner or later this maybe fig line might be hit. But what we see on this channel, on this daily time frame chart on the Bitcoin, is obviously first bearish flag, breakout to the downside, second bearish flag. Nevertheless, it takes too much time to complete this bearish flag. And now, especially now, we are in the situation when the things might get tricky, because breakout above the technical resistance that we just hit, 80,655, open the road towards the 83,900, and breakout above 83,900 is basically very bullish, right? And this bearish flag gets then invalidated, because we, in that scenario, bulls are way above the technical resistance, key technical resistance. You have it on this chart as well, right? So that's the first target that has been hit. Let me copy this, and I will placing my blue arrow yet higher to show you guys that this is basically very important zone for the market to get rejected. Okay, if however bulls are strong enough to break above this zone, let me just check, of course change the color to red, because it's a supply zone, and supplies means selling. If the bulls are strong enough to break above this level, break out of the potential flag pattern, this is very bullish, very bullish for Bitcoin. So please keep an eye on this current situation inside of this rectangle. If we ever get there, if there is a reversal from here, that's fine as well. We will analyze it later on, but for now the market keeps moving in as we imagined in our scenario. So yeah, that's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.